Hi Mohan, how are you?
I'm very good, sir.
So finally got placed. Finally in the testimonial. कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling now?
I'm very feeling. How can I expect the final after 3 years? I finally got job in IT for so much struggles. Thanks to you and your organization. How much I appreciate, sir.
So it's been 3 years you're searching the job.
Yeah, sir. I want to place in IT for 3 years.
So very excited to know about your journey. So how, as usually, I have few questions that I'm going to ask. So let me know step by step. So first of all, I want to know how do you come to know about NG networks?
When I recently I a job I lost all the hope and doing job in like sales in the bank. So when I'm suddenly scrolling that Instagram, when I got to know in some demo classes starting, well, okay, let's try. Finally, last hope, give it try to and hope. That's the journey to get with the NG, sir.
No reference, nothing like that. Just a social media. You just tap on it. And so how do you find the trust? Where are you basically from?
I'm basically from Karnataka.
Karnataka.
In Asan.
So how do you find trust on the people sitting quite far from you?
Because already I've done so many courses in ITs, so nothing will work out for me. Like that, online, every course is taken online. That's why I will lost all the hope regarding after 3 years. So no hope from. So that when I scroll that when I got NG, I didn't know about anything, nothing about NGs. So so in Instagram you were telling that 100% guarantee. Okay, let's try, like be faith in him. Just he will get when I attend the demo class, I finally fix it on that and continue the gender with NG.
So nice. So to whom you speak first in the NG networks?
Yeah, I speak with like counselor Nitin, not Nitin like man. That ma'am I didn't remember that one, but she
Hyderabad branch or the Delhi branch?
Delhi branch.
Delhi branch. Okay. You spoke with them. So what they explained each and everything, that how it is going to happen, how it is going to work.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I remember Karthik. His name is Karthik.
Karthik.
Yeah, he explained very clearly everything point to point. So I just felt faith in him.
Okay. So have you attended my webinar as well?
Yes, for the when I attend the event, that give us hope for this time. I definitely got a job.
Great. So that I've explained the process in the webinar. This is how the training process works. Basically, first I have explained what exactly will be your profile, where we are going to place you, what will be your responsibilities, what is the network engineer, what is the networking profile. Then I have told you about the process. This is the training process. You will be started with these comms and technical sessions, then moving into the real time, then the last placement part that comes under the relevant exposure. So I want to know step by step. So how was your starting? How the technical training starting?
So finally, in the process was very good, sir, because it gives confidence with every little thing. Because I didn't nothing about network, nothing in not basic. You guys, they will give foundation in some basics and again advanced. The in nearest to plan advanced. The ma'am is awesome. He like filling the words in mind every day, not gonna spill out like that. That's why I will strongly in technical form. Thanks to ma'am. And Deepak sir was very good, sir. Because of the real time scenarios, it will help after the work. I will know that easily, and like everything I didn't know any pressure at all. I already know things like that going.
So it's like what I understood in the basic and advanced both are given by the Nirjar map.
No. In basic, another ma'am. The advanced is Nirja Super.
Advanced was given by Nirjar Shukla. So what different you have seen in Nirjar when you were taking by that you are happy to take a class from her?
Because in he like what are the previous like every time she is screening. Like every week, what are the what is we like learn in 1 week. In next week they screening and again repeat sessions like every word has been already in written in mind. Like that's how she takes teach like every technical terms.
So as explained by me in the webinar that the training has been divided into the basic and advanced part. So you have been given training on the basic and advanced, then the screening happened.
Yeah, same.
So you cleared the screening in first time, or you got multiple, or you took chances?
Not a first time. I took many chances also because I am just a beginner, right? I didn't have any confidence about interview. Also, no, I didn't know about interview or screening. Nothing about. I didn't have any confidence. After the screening, more screening, I got little bit confidence, and again. That's why I get in this much confidence right now.
So if I ask you now, you're being a place candidate, and it's someone your junior, any of your junior watching this video. So what do you want to tell them, that why is that screening is is an important part, or it's just something that wastes your time?
Screening is very important because you will learn all about in 1 month, but when it comes to that screening or any interview, your mind goes blank. You can't remember anything. When you got screen training, that fear will erase you, and you can already after the screening you can just casually go and take that any interview. That will help you very much.
Excellent. Yes. So it gives you, reality. It's a reality check basically, and give you some that you have to prepare yourself. Excellent. So once the technical part completed, you move into the real time. So I have explained. I take time when I was taking your session. So that is what is the difference between the real time and the technical training. Now I want Mohan to explain the real time training in his own words. What is the real time training? Why it is different to technical?
So because in technical we know about only network, how it works, and like how it runs through every computer, and that's all. In what comes to that real time, it shows that after that, like industry, when you go to jobs, so what are they work providers. So how can we prepare for earlier that gives terms, like what are they industry when particular they particularly devices, how it works, and also they what are they expect from us in that, like they teach us more than in real time session.
Correct. So in the real time, we try to basically help you to understand how the real world works, that you are just sharing with it. Amazing. So when your training completed with the real time and everything, so from the training team, you have been moved to the placement team. How was your, the moment from one department to the another department? And I hope you have attended the induction as well in that part. Let us know the journey.
Yes, sir, that journey was very awesome, sir, because all thanks to Anjali ma'am, also Rinku sir helped so much, sir, because I great thanks to also given so much trouble to Anjali ma'am, because every in resume preparing, also how we'll prepare, how we'll speak, she helped so much, and also given so much confidence also. When even Rinku sir also, if one interview not comes, and again prepare, he will give all the answer. How you will speak to him. What are the questions you want to? He also help very much, sir. That in placement is very awesome, sir. Fully.
Which is the most comfortable team when you're into the counseling or training or the placement team?
The placement is very awesome, sir. They give very much confidence and how to crack and what are the question you to prepare. How will prepare? How will to prepare well when you attend that. What are the also in when interview comes in our in just before half an hour they take us 1 second screening. How will you want to speak? What are the question? How will you, every time every scenario they will teach me to crack the interview.
Nice. So when it is started, the placement started. So it is like you cleared the first interview. It takes time. You have a
That is a fourth one.
It is like that. It is like that when someone reach out to the placement, reach to the actually move into the placement department, move to the placement department. We took it lightly. We took it like for granted. He guys into the placement, nothing big deal, and don't focus on that particular candidate. Or we really focus on that candidate, help them to get placed. What is your
Really? No, sir. The placement very focused on the candidate because some my others like confidence I will failing, but they were never taken any like faith in me. Always telling that focus on that. So you will definitely crack this interview. Every strongly prepare that every mentioning in every interview. They really very focused on 1% to giving all that one everything. to place me, giving everything.
Correct. So any feedback you want to give someone watching the video and wants to join NG Network but not confident, not that confident?
Yeah, I give one suggestion. If you don't have any confidence into it, just go to that. They will give all the confidence about how to crack and how they will learn the technical. You don't imagine how they will particularly base to every preparation. They will prepare you. Just you go through it. They will. That's the I'll give.
So your smile only answer actually a lot of questions that someone must supposed to ask. So your smile is already answering a lot of things. So you whatever the package we have committed, did you receive that?
Yeah, sir. What
And-
I receive. Also seeing that in future career also I want to learn more about through you.
I mean,
I see.
yes, go with the plan as we have shared already, in multiple videos, in multiple sessions. I'm sharing that how this is how you have to grow. So please follow that step and stay connected, Mohan. And it was a nice conversation with you. Any special message that you want to give to my team, the NG Networks team?
Fully heartful, gratefully thanks to all team for giving me such a career in IT. To give my I lost in hope in IT, but you are the people who give the hope and also career journey to I water the startup beginning journey, right? All thanks to you. That's it.
But all the very best. Yeah, it was a really nice, session with you. I really enjoy and stay ahead, stay forward. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you very much.